Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to create Degiro account. Firstly, you need to open your preferred browser. On the search bar, click over there and search degiro.com. It will direct you to the official page of Degiro. After that, you need to click on open account as you are going to register your new account. Now you need to select your country. After that, you will be required to enter your email, username, password, and also confirm your password. Once you finish entering all the information, then scroll down and click on open your account. If you want to save your password on the Google, then tap on save, or if you don't want, then tap on never. We will be sent an activation link to our email from Degiro to our inbox. Let's check our inbox. And here you can see activation link has been sent to our inbox from Degiro. Click on it and click on complete your registration. You need to enter your username and password. You will be required to enter your personal information, your full name and last name. Then click on continue. You will be required to enter your country, your phone number. After that, you can choose to send SMS or phone call, then tap on continue. After that, the verification code will be sent to your SMS that will allow you to verify your ID, and that's how you create a Degiro account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.